Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Netflix account with family or friends without revealing your password, follow these step-by-step instructions to use Netflix profiles and manage access securely. Step 1. Open Netflix on your web browser or mobile app and log in to your account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Profiles. Step 3. Click Add Profile to create a new profile for the person you want to share access with. Step 4. Enter a name for the new profile and choose whether it should be a kid's profile or a regular profile. Step 5. Click Save to create the profile. The new profile will now appear on the account selection screen. Step 6. Share your Netflix login credentials with the person temporarily so they can log in and select their profile. Step 7. Once they have logged in and selected their profile, change your Netflix password immediately to protect your account. Step 8. The person can now continue using Netflix with their profile, and they will have their own viewing history and recommendations without needing your password again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.